How to use Google Translate in Chrome. Need to read websites in another language? Let's use Google Translate in Chrome step by step. So, first, automatic page translation. When you open a page in another language, Chrome shows a translate bar, which you'd usually find at the top right, at the left side of the extensions icon. Click Translate to convert it instantly. Another thing you can do is to right click anywhere on the page and then go ahead and select Translate from this pop-up. Lastly, change translation language. So click on the three dots in the translation pop-up to choose another language. And that is how to use Google Translate in Chrome.